What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, and I'm back with another lit video. What go down, my people, man? My YouTube family. It's your boy J Spice, man. Welcome to the front yard gang, man. It goes down over here, old school, new school action, man. We always got some wheel turning, wrench turning, music slanging, wheels banging, action going on over here. So if you like any of that type of content, man, y'all make sure y'all leave a comment down below. If you got any question, comments, or opinion, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Before you do anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, make that notification bell turn gray so you won't never miss anything your boy J Spice got coming to you, because there's always some heat. As you see in the background, it's always something going down, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you don't miss that, man. Hey, and if you like the content of the video you're watching, or the content you ever watched, or the content that you're gonna watch in the future, man, just make sure you leave your boy a thumbs up on the video, man. It just helps YouTube know that you like the video. Hey, man, listen, we finna get into some more content today. I'm finna turn this camera around, show y'all what we got going on. It's always some fabrication going on. Watch this heat. Alright, now we got Buick Roadmaster out today. Boy, we done did some work to this car, boy. We done been in and out, up and down and out around this car, man, doing work, man. We done did so much custom fabrication to this car, it is crazy. But today, we're gonna do the third light on this thing, man. As y'all know, we done put LEDs all around this thing, stupid music in this thing, high output alternator with big 3 LEDs all around. We changed everything out the LEDs. Got the custom made Benz blinker mirrors built by me. It's taped up because she finna get sprayed. Upgraded this opera lights. Just a little quick little rundown for the people that didn't know. That boy got the DS18 RGB 1-inch super tweeters in it, as well as in the console. Console was custom built by me, by hand. You know what I'm saying? LED cup holders, DS18 EQ, DS18 head unit, stars in the headliner with the blue suede, built by me with the twinkle. Yes, sir. Back deck built by me, full DS18 components, baby. Yes, sir. Wrapped in ostrich, built by J Spikes. You dig? Yes, sir. I ain't playing no games with this car, man. I installed this headrest too. I installed them 12-inch headrests on that thing. So what we about to do now is, I got a little bit left on this car. I gotta finish the body work on this thing. I gotta get this dent fixed so I can go ahead and paint this car. I gotta get this dent fixed and finish hitting the ones, all them little small dings. I gotta do that. So I'm gonna pull this thing out. We're gonna get started on that third light so I can complete the modification of that and go and get paid, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all watch this heat. I'm gonna pull this thing out. All right, YouTube, I've been working on that thing. I think I done got it figured out. That's the left turn. Well, yeah, that's the left turn signal. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here working on the wiring harness now, trying to figure out what's what. I got my little wire tester here. And if y'all was wondering, this is the third brake light that we're using. There go the part number if it'll focus. There we go. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, man, that's the part number to it. It's the little box. Got a little installation, little information on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm about ready to get this thing mounted in. I'm gonna get my torch, go on the inside and put it on the window. Then I got a little bit of wire over there. I'm gonna go ahead and wire that thing up. Let me show y'all. You see that? Like I said, that's the right turn signal. That's the left turn signal. You know what I'm saying? Hit the emergency lights. That's how the emergency lights do. Yes, sir. And the brake lights work too. So yeah, I think I got it figured out, guys. And the best thing to do, when if you get one of these third lights, just do not get it in. Peel this two-sided tape off, man, and stick it on the window. You have to clean the window good with some alcohol, and you have to heat this stuff up if you want that thing to stick long lasting. If you're not trying to replace that thing, and I'm telling you, man, I know it's cheap and all, but you don't want to keep going back messing with nothing. So just heat it up, wipe the window down with some alcohol, and then install it then. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get my alcohol and a clean towel. Then I'm gonna get this thing jumping, and we're gonna see what it look like. Watch this heat. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, got that thing installed now. I got that thing installed. All I did is try to measure as close as I could. Put me a couple pieces of tape right there. You know what I'm saying? Just to try to line it up as straight as you can get it, even as you can get it. I think that's pretty darn close, if you ask me. I think that's pretty darn close. So let's get us a little ski taste of what that thing look like. I'm gonna close this trunk. I'm gonna close that trunk. Let's go and turn this thing on. Alright, we're gonna do the left signal. Okay, feel like it's working pretty decent. We're gonna do the right signal. Okay, that's looking pretty decent. Okay, let's do the emergency lights. And there go the emergency lights, y'all. So yeah, man, I got that thing installed. She looking good, yes sir. No game. Yes sir. That was a clean install. I'm happy with it, man. Yes sir. She looking good. I like that. Hey, one upgrade at a time, baby. One upgrade at a time. Always stay motivated. Hey, slow motion better than no motion, baby. Slow motion is better than no motion. Guarantee you that. Yes sir. So yeah, man, I got that thing installed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I'm gonna get the rest of these wires taped up in here and get them all secured like they supposed to be. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a night shot how that thing look, and I'll bring y'all back when we through with it. Whoo! Boy, this Roadmaster got some lights in it, boy. This son gonna got a light show going on. You hear me? This son gonna got a light show. You can't even see that light hardly back there, but it's going down. Yes sir. Watch this heat. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. It's early in the morning. I couldn't get out here while it was dark. So I'm gonna try to get y'all a little footage of this third brake light inside the booth, cause it's kind of dark up in here. It's real shaded up in here, and you can get a good look at how that third brake light look on that Roadmaster. This a good little view right here. So I'm gonna go and get y'all some little dark view, so y'all can see how that thing shine in case somebody wanna go and put one in theirs. They get a good view. Let's see if this thing will crank, y'all. Oh, she crunk up, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Light show. Yes sir. 450 stars in that thing. She shining. Everything installed by me, by the way. Everything you see installed by me. Steering wheel, music, everything. Everything you see in this car that didn't come in it, it was installed by your boy, J Spice. Yes, sir. Y'all know we don't play no games over here on the channel, man. Y'all know we don't play no games. Let them new people know that it goes down over here. We ain't got no big panorama, but it got them 450 stars in there, and it look pretty good. But anyway, that ain't what this about today. We got them opera lights on there. Yes, sir. Let's see what that third brake light looking like. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little upgrade. Nice little upgrade. He gonna like that. My boy gonna love that. Let's put the emergency lights on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. We don't play no games over here on the channel, man. We get it in. We don't play no games, guys. We don't play no games over here, y'all. Yes, sir. It looks real good, man. Y'all leave a comment down below, man. Come on, man, with that light show. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the build so far. Everything your boy done did, man. Give me a real, true, genuine motherfucking comment down below of what you think about this 93 Roadmaster so far in the build. Next, we got this paint coming. I already done broke that thing down on the other side. I can't take y'all around, I'm too back in. But we got a 3-stage purge going on this thing. Y'all make sure y'all tune in for that. As you can see, from that side to this side, you can see I done sanded this whole passenger side of this car down. I got the whole passenger side of the car broke down. I got the whole passenger side sanded, and she ready. Yes, sir. Stupid music, stupid lights, and we're gonna do that stupid paint. Gonna be one of the cleanest Roadmasters that come through 409. Y'all see we got them Benz blinkers on there. I got that little tape on there so you can't really see it, but I installed them too. Watch this heat. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. That's pretty much it with the third brake light, man. It looked pretty good, man. I like it. It came out nice. I'm pretty sure my boy gonna like it. I ain't lying, man. When I tell y'all it's going down, it's going down. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all don't want to miss none of this good content we got. Subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell so you won't never have to go look for your boy. You'll always get notified every time I drop some of this heat. Man, leave a like on the video if you like any of this content you'll ever watch or you're gonna watch, man. Just do that for your boy so YouTube can know that you like my content. And if you got any questions or comments or opinions, man, make sure you leave it in the comment box below, baby, because everybody know I talk back. Watch this heat. I'll see y'all on the next one real soon, baby. Woo!